While Google Analytics is a great tool for reporting and gives us a lot of predefined reports, sometimes we just have to create a report for our own specific needs, and we can do that in the customization area here. So we might create a custom report, which is very straightforward. We'll just create a new custom report, and then maybe we've got these different options: Explore, Flat Table, or Map Overlay. These two are the most important. This one can be a bit tricky to use, so we'd recommend starting with Flat Table, and we put our dimensions down one side, so maybe our channels, and maybe we'll put in our revenue. And we can add different dimensions. We can put in sessions, whatever we want. And we can add some filters if we only want to apply it to PPC or only want to apply it to SEO. We might put in something like medium is organic. So this would only apply to organic search. Maybe we'll just change this to, and we can create a report. So just bear in mind that you can't break it by doing this. You're simply creating a different rendering of the data. So we can see here that we have our top revenue generating organic search engines, and then equally beside it we have our top sessions by search engine. So the custom report area is very useful for just building your own reporting experience, and then of course that can be exported to PDF, to Sheets, to Excel, or to CSV, saved and then shared in terms of forwarding it on a regular basis to people who may be interested in it, as it is a custom report. And of course, alongside our custom reports, we can create dashboards. So these would be reporting tables that show multiple reports in one view, and we get a feel for kind of top level activity that we might want to report on. So this is an example of a type of mobile dashboard we can create in terms of desktop users, mobile users, tablet users, and we've got the page views by each, we've got revenue by each, and we're just able to see the variance between the different devices in one view, and very easy to share with key stakeholders, quite visual. Just depends on what it is you're trying to report. So always take time to consider what is the value of that dashboard that you're creating. But dashboards are really useful tools just to kind of get the top level stuff across to non-analyst people. So as search marketers and as digital marketers, we tend to have a good handle of analytics and the value of numbers, but not always stakeholders within a business have the same appreciation for that. So we just have to give them the information they need to see. And we can do that by customizing a dashboard within Google Analytics. Just as the real-time report can drive a little bit of information in terms of who exactly is on our site at key points. When this is useful is when you're doing something like a TV campaign and you want to see, is there a spike in visits to your site after your TV commercial airs? It's not a downloadable report, so for analysts the real-time report is less useful. It's just for getting a brief indication of any spikes in visitors that may be hitting your site due to external factors like TV commercials or press releases, etc. So that is the customization and the real-time report for analysts and for search marketers.